Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today. My name is Leslie Overland. I'm a member of the Dynamics 365 product marketing team, and I'm excited to be with you today. We'll be looking at a couple of things in this session: the new pitch deck for customer service, key pain points that service organizations face, and what's new for customer service with the spring release. We know that customer experience is quickly becoming the #1 brand differentiator, and service, which is often the face of a brand, plays a key role in what that experience looks like. That means that organizations really need to understand what it is that customers are looking for as expectations continue to rise, and then leverage technology in a way that lets them reimagine what customer service can look like. We know that most service providers do recognize customer experience as a competitive differentiator. And overall, customer experience is the most important performance indicator for executive staffs and in the boardroom. Again, customer service playing a central role. And yet very few service providers consider the quality of service they provide at a level that would be considered differentiating. What this tells us is that the recognition is there, the desire is there, but the ability to transform is very challenging. And that's because providing great customer service is pretty complicated. Let's spend just a moment talking through a very common set of challenges facing contact centers today. As I mentioned, expectations continue their steady climb in a number of areas, and that includes expectation around choice of channels and devices through which they expect to receive service, and the speed and ease of that experience. But as contact centers add those engagement channels, the collective architecture on the back end can become very disconnected, and it's difficult to share information or provide consistent experiences across channels. More often than not, it simply creates more complexity. And so even as new channels are made available, service organizations are unable to deliver on the promise of that experience. Research shows that customers use, on average, 2.7 channels during the course of a single inquiry, and 90% of us expect consistency and continuity across that experience. Yet only 8.4% of contact centers are truly omni-channel capable. On top of that, only 4% of customer service organizations can solve an inquiry using a single application. This becomes even more complicated for large enterprise organizations. Not only do different lines of business often use siloed applications, they often have to deal with legacy applications that have become part of the technology stack due to acquisitions. All of this combines to create a very fragmented engagement experience, one that diminishes customer satisfaction and erodes the reputation of a brand. At Microsoft, when we think about how to address complicated challenges like these, we think about it from 3 perspectives. First, the customer. How do we create better experiences for them in a way that creates brand loyalty? And how do we empower agents and other frontline staff with the tools they need to be successful? And finally, how do we enable service organizations and the wider business as they face near constant change and evolution in a rapidly changing market? What's key to addressing these challenges is the ability to break down information and engagement silos, to connect data and experiences. This is what empowers brands to innovate around process and experience. And this is exactly the approach we've taken with Dynamics 365, breaking down the artificial silos of CRM and ERP to connect data and experiences across applications and engagements. Dynamics 365 is the next generation of intelligent business applications that enable organizations to grow, to evolve, and to transform, and find new ways to provide value to their customers. And that's our North Star for creating effortless service experiences for customers and agents, and enabling organizations to remain agile as they continuously improve the service experience. Let's talk a bit about how these concepts are lit up within the application. Dynamics 365 enables end-to-end, effortless customer service engagements through any channel and using any device. For the majority of us, that omni-channel experience often begins with self-service. In fact, research tells us that globally, the expectation for brands to offer a self-service portal is at 90%. So having a place where customers can solve issues on their own is a big initial win in terms of meeting expectations and providing an effortless service option. Dynamics 365 for customer service enables organizations to provide a branded experience that's easy to navigate with seamless transitions between self and assisted support. So if I'm a customer with a question about an existing issue, I can log into the support portal to check on the status or update my case with new information, or I can log a new case. Or I might perform a search, which in addition to returning knowledge articles, would also return relevant forum threads and blog posts, both of which are features that are included with the portal. But regardless of their choice of channel, a unified platform is going to ensure context and visibility across every interaction to create a full engagement experience. There are additional slides in the appendix of the pitch deck that support our omni-channel story, including self-service and communities, social care, and the CafeX Live Assist solution for chat, co-browse, video, and voice. With Dynamics 365 for customer service, both customers and agents are empowered with the tools they need to ensure quick and accurate resolution. In addition to the self-service options we just talked through, brands can also automate resolution with virtual agents or customer service bots. This is one of the hottest emerging channels. Leveraging our AI framework, bots can have capabilities like natural language processing and machine learning to create an experience that is smart, conversational, and fast, with the ability to synthesize vast amounts of information on the fly, creating an experience that is not only available 24/7, but one that can add real value. Bots can be agent-facing as well, providing dynamic guidance to the agent while they are interacting with a customer. For instance, using text analytics, an agent-facing bot can analyze a conversation between an agent and a customer real-time and surface relevant knowledge articles or even cross-sell or upsell offers based on the conversation, contextual history, or similar customers. Or as an agent wraps up a case, a bot can provide next best action advice on which case they should work on next. Both customer and agent-facing bots can speed resolution while reducing costs and improving customer satisfaction. Just a quick mention before we move further into the agent experience. As more issues are solved through self-service, we still rely on agents for the really tough issues we can't solve on our own. That means that for agents, the questions coming into their queue are increasingly complex. And if agents don't have the tools they need to address those tough cases, they will be frustrated and they will be overwhelmed because they are not empowered to be successful. This is a contributing factor of high agent turnover rates. In fact, the average turnover rate is 29% annually, with some industries as high as 50%. And for those new agents that come on board, it's even more overwhelming. It takes a long time to get up to speed and to find the information they need to solve each case. And as customers, we're frustrated as well. And that's a big deal because around the globe, more than half of us have stopped doing business with a brand due to a poor customer service experience. Dynamics 365 for customer service can address this challenge. Our solution empowers agents with intuitive access to the right information and resources through a single interface. The unified service desk integrates and automates across applications, including third-party and legacy applications and data sources, surfacing the tools, data, and resources at exactly the point of need. It dynamically guides agents through the interaction to successful resolution. We've also included additional slides in the pitch deck appendix to support this agent experience, including slides for USD and knowledge management. From an operational perspective, customer service organizations are thinking about ways to optimize onboarding, address ongoing training and change management, and create consistently high-quality service experiences. As I mentioned, agents empowered with capabilities like the Unified Service Desk can onboard more quickly, they're able to solve cases faster and avoid escalations, and this improves productivity dramatically. And they have the context and visibility they need to provide highly personalized service. Another important component of this experience is configurable business process flows. Business process flows allow organizations to create efficient and consistent processes around the service experience. They can create multiple process flows for different roles, each process flow having multiple stages and steps that involve multiple entities, which can also include conditions and dependencies. They can also kick off other process flows. Process flows are created using an intuitive drag-and-drop visual designer, which means they can easily be created and modified by business users. This is meaningful for a couple of reasons. First, since the process flows are not hard-coded, as best practices evolve, the application can be used as a way to manage change rather than having to create a workaround. Second, it removes the reliance on IT teams, which are often time and resource constrained. Business process flows can also be analyzed to see how well they're working at each stage, providing insights that can be leveraged to continue improving the overall service experience. We also offer an immersive gamification experience, which can help motivate and shape behaviors around key KPIs. Be sure to check out the supporting gamification slides in the pitch deck appendix as well. All of these capabilities work together to speed onboarding and adoption, ensure consistently positive customer experiences across engagements, and keeps every agent current on best practices and methodologies. As I mentioned early on, customer experience is quickly becoming the #1 brand differentiator. This means that the customer service organizations that have prioritized providing great service are in a constant cycle of gathering and evaluating data about the quality of service they provide and finding ways to continuously improve. This might be as simple as a real-time SLA timer to help agents prioritize their caseload, a report or visual indicator of trending issues that helps service managers get in front of problems and offer proactive service. Or it could be data that helps them refine service methodology and best practices. It might be insights into where they need to build out their knowledge base to increase self-service rates, or insights derived from voice of the customer feedback, or data that informs product strategy and direction. When Microsoft thinks about empowering service organizations with those critical insights, we look at ways to empower people at every level of the organization, from agents, service managers, and directors to executive leadership. Our goal is to empower every role to have a positive impact on business outcomes by providing insights unique to each of those roles, delivered in a way that is consumable and actionable. Dynamics 365 for customer service empowers companies to deliver effortless service across self and agent-assisted channels. Intelligence and automation empowers both customers and agents with the tools they need to ensure quick and accurate resolution every time. Our solution connects data across applications and experiences across channels, creating a full 360-degree view of the customer for highly personalized service. It enables organizations to rethink the way they provide service, quickly adapt as customer behavior changes, and then optimize around people and process. This transformation enables customer service organizations to reshape customer experience. They can move beyond traditional KPIs and think about the ways intelligence and automation can truly transform customer service. Let's take a quick look at the enhancements included in this release. Through our partnership with CafeX, we now offer voice and video support. Live Assist has also enhanced the routing capabilities for transitions between bots and agents, and masking redacts social security numbers and other sensitive PII from the agent view. Attachments are now searchable from the portal, which increases the accuracy and relevancy of search results. Also, Dynamics 365 Portal now provides detailed contextual error information and diagnostic logging and enables developers to define custom error messages for consistent and reliable troubleshooting and diagnostics. The Unified Service Desk now offers a best practice analyzer. The analyzer helps ensure customizations and extensions are built efficiently during the deployment phase. Unified interface apps can now be integrated with USD as well. There are some great usability enhancements to Voice of the Customer, including Cascade Delete, Restore Config, and troubleshooting. And the language translation capabilities have been enhanced as well. We've also enhanced personalization with the ability to reference in-survey responses on the fly. There's also a new Power BI content pack to track metrics such as Net Promoter Score and CSAT scores, as well as response rates. And as with all Dynamics 365 applications, we now empower organizations with tools and functionality to ensure they are able to successfully meet their GDPR requirements. Also, Dynamics 365 is accessible to users that require assistive technologies. This includes agents, admins, and portal visitors. If you have not had a chance to do so already, be sure to view all of the Dynamics 365 Blitz sessions and visit Infopedia for the most up-to-date resources. I want to draw special attention to the Forrester Total Economic Impact Study for customer service. This will be publicly available as a gated asset on the customer service resource webpage, but it's also available for you to download and share with your customers and prospects. Thanks again for joining me today. Happy selling.